If you wonder how do you search for backend developers, front-end developers, full-stack developers on LinkedIn, I have something really cool and special for you. So you are looking at the fresh, brand new mind map that I was developing with a group of 40 recruiters that I was training just earlier this week. As a part of the training, we have been working on this project, how to source for backend developers, front-end developers on LinkedIn. Based on a few requests from hiring managers, we were analyzing who exactly to look for, what are the must-have skills. And in fact, usually there are only a few, like 3 or 4 must-have skills, usually just 2 or 3 must-have skills when it comes to backend or front-end development. It's either the programming language or framework, usually both the programming language and the framework. We can, for example, see that when we are looking for a front-end developer, it's usually the programming language and a framework, and then we compose the search string, for example, front-end or JavaScript and React or Vue or Angular, but it depends on the requirement from the hiring manager, right? Maybe they are open to hire someone who has experience with the other framework, not exactly the one they use. So that's obviously to be discussed, but I wanted to show you this mind map because it visualizes it all for people who have never worked in IT before. So if you are like one of them, then you can get this mind map and sort of have this high-level overview. And I'm just about to include this one mind map in the booklet of all 29 mind maps. So this will be a great addition to the booklet. In the booklet there are 28 mind maps. These mind maps cover the high-level IT landscape. You would find here the programming languages and frameworks. As you can see, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, like all these backend and front-end programming languages and the related frameworks. Because when you are looking for some IT professionals, you need to consider what tools, what languages, what frameworks are they going to use. And then in these mind maps, you can actually go deeper and expand, for example, the JavaScript landscape. You can also explore the Java development landscape. So Java or JavaScript are 2 of the most popular programming languages. On the next page is C# and also PHP development landscape. So you will find everything in these mind maps. And I have created these mind maps after, 15 years in IT. So I have been working as a developer, as a technical lead, most recently as a recruiter. So there is a lot you can take out of these mind maps and just start asking better questions to your hiring managers. Or when you are interacting with candidates, it's just so much easier because you suddenly know what to talk about. So for example, when it comes to C#, I'm just looking at it sort of randomly, you can talk about testing frameworks and you can just ask the C# developer, Dear Joe, can you tell me which framework have you used to test your applications? Have you used NUnit or XUnit? Right? And you just sort of casually ask, and it's just so easy and flawless. And by the way, I don't remember this all from top of my mind. Like I also, after 15 years in IT, have to keep this on my desk. And when I'm on a call with developer, I just quickly go to the page, 17, and I look at it and I just talk, all right, so can you tell me more about how you use Dart to create cross-platform mobile applications, right? So I'll teach you how to use these mind maps in our tech recruitment program. But even if you just want these mind maps, you can get just the booklet with all these 29 mind maps. And it's just €1 per one mind map. So it's a no-brainer price. I keep it really low because I want all of you guys to be confident when interacting with developers or with hiring managers, because there is a lot we can do better when it comes to tech recruitment. So if you'd like to just start with the booklet, well then get the booklet, get all these mind maps. And if you'd like me to explain how to use them, then join our upcoming tech recruitment program. So you will learn how to talk to hiring managers, what to talk about with candidates, how to analyze job requirements, how to use these mind maps to source candidates on LinkedIn or on GitHub. And that will make your job as an IT recruiter so much easier and more efficient. You will be able to fill more candidates, which means if you charge a commission, which means you will get more money eventually, right, for your hard work. And there is a lot we can do to help you be more proficient and more confident when it comes to recruitment. So get this booklet with mind maps first. You can go to the website itrecruitermindmaps.com. You will find the link below this video. And then join my program. The next program will probably be in a few weeks. So just go to the techrecruitmentprogram.com and get your ticket, the standard or the VIP ticket, and I'll see you live during the live sessions. So get your booklet first and join the program second. Have a wonderful day, everyone.